iPECS 1 for iOS Mobile, Profile and Status Setting. Welcome to the iPECS 1 for iOS user video. If you haven't already downloaded and logged into iPECS 1, then please watch the previous video. To make a change to your profile in iPECS 1, start by tapping the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, on the top left of the screen. Here you can make changes to your profile. If you tap on the My Information option, you can see your phone number, your extension number and the email address associated with the account. You can also change your display name and the department you work in as well. To make a change to your profile, you can tap the Edit button on the top right of the screen. Here you can add a status message, enter your job title, or you can make a change to your profile picture by tapping the Picture button and either taking a new picture or choosing a picture from your photos. To go back to your profile screen, tap the arrow key on the top left of the screen to go back to the menu. Tapping the arrow key next to your extension number displays more options within your profile. Here you can change your status. This lets your colleagues know if you're online, busy working on another task, or you can also set your status to Do Not Disturb, which means you will not be able to receive any calls from internal or external parties. This menu also allows you to control notifications and call forwarding. To set up a call forward, select Call Forward, and then enter the name or number of the colleague that you would like to forward the calls onto. Call forwarding settings are also included here. You can decide if you would like all calls to be forwarded when you are busy, or calls to be forwarded after a certain amount of time. This menu also gives you the option to reject anonymous calls from unknown numbers automatically. Lastly, at the bottom of the settings, you can access the main settings for your application. For example, under Device Management, you can see which iPECS 1 devices you have accessed and which ones you have used to log into iPECS 1 in the past.